Hello everybody! The word of the day today is delve, which means to dig into or make careful search. So let's delve into the video today. First thing on the item is the Insta360 received a neat update that allows it to be or act as a webcam, and that's what I decided to film on today. So I'm using the 4K mod. Even though it's a widescreen mod, the webcam software within Insta360 is zeroing in on me because I'm the only subject in the screen right now. What that means is that it's going to pay attention to the subjects. So if you have a second subject in the video, it will zoom out and pan and make sure it fits both of you or all three of you or all four of you into the screen, so that you can use it's more like a smart web camera, because it's going to adapt to who it can see, and it will make sure that the video feed that's going into the computer is being broadcast where the main subjects or many subjects are all the central point. And if they leave, it will recenter and everything. Like, even if I scoot over here, it's going to recenter on me automatically without me touching anything. So I think that's pretty cool. Kudos for Insta360 to make that change and make it so that the camera has even more potential. And really, a 4K camera that's a webcam. That's pretty awesome. I'm not going to lie. That's pretty cool. So today I want to tell you about my 3D printer. I finally figured out how to take footage of a process of 3D printing, and I did 2 different prints last night, and I made a video of each, one with the camera on a tripod looking at the 3D printer, and one with the camera on a little stand that's mounted to the heat plate of the 3D printer. Let's look at the footage. You can see that this first one is the one that's on the tripod. And now the build plate footage. I find 3D printing useful because you can use it in being able to design stuff and prototype stuff, or even like fixing and replacing stuff, or just kind of adding on to what you already have. Like, I lifted all my monitors up using platforms that I built using 3D printing, and I think it's a good little item to have in the house. Designing, I've got that capability. I like doing 3D model work. I'm pretty good at using like stuff like SolidWorks and AutoCAD and AutoCAD Inventor and CATIA and NX and all sorts of other programs. So that's not a foreign thing to me to be able to design a part. But whether I design it myself or I find it on the web, it is so fun to see a 3D model become something physical and real. It's just awesome. Moving on, I managed to pump all of my remaining spending money into M1 Finance to try to get closer to my goal of hitting $2,000 this year. I am getting really close because I'm now at $1,700 that I've personally put into M1 Finance. The market gains and losses have definitely increased that by just a little bit, and even this week, it was a green week. It went up just barely by 0.48%, but you know, it went up. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, and I hope everything goes well for you. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.